Hello beautiful people, today I am here with a video of an unboxing video where I'm going to unbox this packet from FOXYBAE. In here I have ordered the curling irons. It's 6 curling irons that go into one heat source. So let's just get right into opening this packet. This packet is originally expensive, but I got it on sale. You know me, I don't ever buy things that are like regular price. I got it 60% off. In a minute I'll tell y'all guys what the original price was, but I only paid $115 with the 60% off. So here it is. This is how it's wrapped. I don't want everything to fall out. And there is paper, and then the beautiful box, you guys. Oh, it's heavy. Wow, this is really beautiful. Just looks like this. Let's open up and see, you guys. I'm excited. So, take this plastic off. Let me tell you about this. This was originally $289, and I got it for $115 with 60 cents. That is $173 off of the price. So let's open this up. Alrighty, so just taking this off. Ooh, okay. So this is what it looks like as soon as you open it, and this is what it looks like. Ooh, I'm not gonna be able to show you guys because everything's gonna fall. But this is what it looks like. You can't see anything. That's pretty. So this is the original one it comes with. This is already on there. This is what it looks like. And then these are the add-ons. You have a thicker one, a thinner one, a way thicker one, and then these with some different types of curls. Let me see if I can get out of here. Looks just like this. Different types of curls. Pretty excited to see what kind of curls it comes with. So according to here, you just twist it and it should come off. Oh, and then let's say I would want to switch it, I would just place this one in here. Okay, you guys, bear with me. In here, and then I would lock it in place just like that, and you have a whole nother curling iron without all the plugs. Now let's see if this thing actually works. I've plugged it in. Now I'm going to turn it on. It's just heating up. So let me tell you guys about this company. Okay, so I ordered it, and I want to say I was very pleased with how they informed me, like every single time something happened. Like once my order was confirmed, once it was prepared for shipping, once it was close to my house, they kept me updated, and I really liked that. It even told me once it was already at my house, it let me know all of that, and I really like that. A lot of places don't do that, but it's hot. But I really did like the fact that they kept me updated. So this is just what it looks like. The temperature keeps on going up. I don't know if you can see it, but it is very, very hot already. I'm so excited. So we're gonna try this strip of hair, maybe a little bit thicker. So unfortunately, I don't think these, oh, and the package also came with a bag to carry your stuff in. It's a velvet bag, it's like really fancy, and a glove so that you do not burn the heck out of yourself. But wait, oh, I guess you would hold the glove on this hand. Anyways guys, so okay, I think it's ready. We're just gonna try on this strip of hair. I assume you would curl it like you curl any other hair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, look at that. Look at that curl, that's really pretty. Any curling, any hair tool, I would always love if it had a little stand, like, you know, a little stand, so when you put it down it won't touch the bottom. Because right now I just want to go check what this looked like in the mirror because I can't see, and I didn't have anywhere to put this down. So with that being said, I would have liked a little stand. Just me, maybe not everybody's into that. I'm gonna turn it off and I'm gonna try this one. So when you do this, you have to look on the bottom. There's a little like area. So there we go. It's turning on once again. It's heating up. This is obviously for bigger and looser curls. I really like this product, you guys. I really think it's great. Great invention to whoever came up with it first, because I know there's a lot of brands that are doing this type where they're just selling the barrels and this. So I think that's a great invention. I really like this. Like I said, I only paid $115 for it, and I'm not mad whatsoever. Besides paying $300 from $115, I'm not mad. I love this product. I haven't even used all of them, but I'm gonna make a separate video on each of them and how I curl my hair in each of the different ones they have. So please stay tuned. Let's go ahead and curl this side with this. I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's really loose. I really like that. See the difference in that curl and this curl. Well guys, I'm just gonna show y'all these two because if I go through all of them, it's gonna be pretty boring video. So keep tuned because I will be showing you guys each of the wands and how they curl in my next videos coming up. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked, please subscribe and comment down which one you like the best or what curling iron you have. Before I owned this curling iron, I had a different type. Let me show you. before I bought these, the only curling iron I had was this one, and I've had this one forever, the longest time, probably since 8th grade, 4 years ago. It was this one, but it actually amazingly has stayed together. See, this one has the little stand, so if you were to put it down, it wouldn't touch any surfaces. And I've had this forever, but the only thing with this one is it does really tight curls, probably a little bit tighter than this, and that's not always the kind of look you're going for. So I just wanted to let y'all know this is a curling iron I've been using forever, you guys. It's hold up though, it still works. And what I like is that I own this curler and that none of the rest of the things look anything like this one. Like, this one's a whole completely different shape. So I still have this one if I need it for even tighter curls. Of course, it does have another plug, but I'm not mad about that, you guys. So sorry, I was ending this video. So goodbye, guys. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned because I am going to be having videos which I talk about each barrel separately. I do my whole head in each barrel separately, and those will be coming up. Like, comment, subscribe. I thank you guys who view me, and I'm just so thankful for you guys. I am going to be posting more often, you guys, I promise. Just have patience with me. Anyways, guys, goodbye. Thanks for watching.